Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the all-new iPhone 17, Apple's latest flagship with the A19 chip, stunning new design, upgraded cameras, and the introduction of Apple Intelligence. Let's go through design, camera, performance, and everything to see what's new and what's actually worth your money. Starting with the design, Apple has gone for a refined and lightweight look this time. The iPhone 17 comes with an aluminum frame and a color-infused glass back, giving it a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints really well. It's slightly lighter than the previous model at 177 grams, with dimensions of 149.6mm in height, 71.5mm width, and 7.95mm thickness. On the sides, you'll notice the action button, camera control, and a USB-C port continuing from last year. Let's talk about the display. The display is a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED and it's one of the best in the industry. Brightness levels are excellent, 3000 nits peak outdoors, 1600 nits in HDR, and 1000 nits typical. Apple has also added an anti-reflective coating, so visibility under sunlight is fantastic. This year, Apple focused heavily on camera improvements. The iPhone 17 features a 48-megapixel dual fusion camera system. The main lens has sensor shift stabilization, and the ultra-wide is also 48-megapixel with a 120 degrees field of view. You get 2x optical zoom, 4x optical zoom range, and 10x digital zoom. Photo quality is stunning, detailed, balanced colors, and much better low-light performance. For video, it supports 4K Dolby Vision. The front camera is now 18 megapixel and supports 4K video. Let's discuss the storage. The iPhone 17 comes in 256GB and 512GB variants. No 128GB base model this time, which honestly makes sense since most people need more space for 4K video and photos. Powering it all is Apple's A19 chip, a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This chip is built for both speed and efficiency. Gaming feels smoother, apps open instantly, and multitasking is seamless. The iPhone 17 comes in 5 soft and elegant colors: black, white, mist blue, sage, and lavender. They all have a slightly frosted finish that looks subtle and premium. Mist blue and sage, in particular, look amazing in person. Battery life is another strong point. Apple claims up to 30 hours of video playback. It supports 40-watt fast charging via USB-C, reaching 50% in 20 minutes, and MagSafe wireless charging up to 25 watt. Apple is using Ceramic Shield 2 on the front, and the back is color-infused glass, which is surprisingly resistant to scratches. It's rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, that's up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Connectivity is future-ready. The iPhone 17 supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6, along with Apple's new N1 wireless chip for stronger connections. It supports dual eSIM, no physical SIM slot anymore, and features emergency SOS, roadside assistance, and messages via satellite for areas without signal. So overall, the camera upgrades, the new Apple Intelligence features, and the improved display make it one of the best all-around phones right now. If you're using an iPhone 15 or older, this is a worthy upgrade. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.